Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the Wakame Meatball Soup in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new oven that called Call of Wheels oven. And then in this oven, you can cook any new special food. And one of them is this Wakame Meatball Soup. But I think this recipe will be a permanent recipe. So after the oven is over, you can still cook it. And then to cook this food is very easy. First, just go to your stove, this one, and then next, just choose this recipe, Wakame Meatball Soup recipe. You can just buy this recipe from NPC Massimo, and then after that, you just need to complete all the ingredients in here. You just need to wakame that you can get it from the Whale Canyon, and then after that, you just need two meat. You can buy this meat from the NPC Massimo too, and then after that, just simply tap start cooking like this. And okay, that's it. You will successfully making wakame meatball soup in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.